y'all, welcome to a new video. My name is Mika. For those who are new, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So in today's video, I found a recipe for a Chipotle chicken bowl. I realized now that I forgot some ingredients, but I'm gonna have to make it do what it do. I found this recipe on Pinterest, so I'm going to link the recipe in the description box. If you've been watching my cooking videos, please let me know like what y'all think. Any recipes y'all want me to try. Do y'all see any good recipes off Pinterest? I'm not a chef. I find my recipes on Pinterest, or these like family recipes or something that I've been cooking for a while that I just cook. So I just like to show people that everyday people who aren't like, you know, strong cookers can cook and make a decent meal. And it's quick and easy because, baby, I don't like to be in the kitchen all day, okay? But I just wanted to hop on here, just let you know what's going on, what's going to be happening in this video. And I'll meet y'all in the kitchen cooking.
Plenty so far we face. Just to make your money day. But my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Don't tell me what's it go? You want go? All the Bentley, the gas, ride the whip, I know feet, die for nothing. What's it go? You want go? All the Bentley, the gas, ride the whip. Different things them happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, my boat, I'm paddling. Shout out Shinabella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen dreams. When it comes to money, I did concentrate. Make I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become, you should not be head of state. For my people, then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it go? You are go.
Favs. look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I won't have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee. Because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair out, where's me out of fear? You'll find me ugly and one day you'll disappear. Cause what's the point of crying? It was never even now. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough? Good boy's a liar. Good boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy. Good boy's a liar. Good boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy.
He say that I'm good enough, cover my good enough. Think about shit that I shouldn't have. So I tell him it's one of me. He making fun